How to book appointment for US visa from UK. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can book appointment for US visa from UK. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to this website called uk.usembassy.gov/visas, in which it serves as a diplomatic mission of the United States in the UK, in which it provides essential information regarding consular services including passport applications, emergency travel documents, and notarial services. And from here, users can schedule appointments online, ensuring efficient access to services while adhering to security protocols at the embassy. And this website also outlines the embassy's role in fostering the relationship between two countries, emphasizing cooperation in areas such as trade, human rights, and disaster planning. So now to book an appointment, by simply clicking this visa button, it will show you an option what kind of visa do you want to appoint or to book from, if you're non-immigrant, an immigrant visa. And by clicking the read more button, you will be directed in this page, for example, non-immigrant visa that I choose, in which below it will show you the overview about this kind of visa, including the tourist and visitor, business, temporary employment, and many more. And you could also visit the frequently asked question in here if you have additional kind of question regarding on how you can start booking an appointment in here. And if you're also looking for specific of requirements, you simply proceed by simply clicking this here button right here. And by doing so, you will automatically be directed on the next tab, and from here it will show you some of the requirements that are needed, with the corresponding in here of the frequently asked question, including what is the visa waiver program. But going back on this page, you could also navigate on the right side panel, the additional resources in here. While under contact us option in here, you would also contact the embassy regarding any matter in here. But for example, we're going to click tourism and visitor, in which by simply clicking this one, it will automatically be directed us on this page, where it will show us in here the overview about how we can start booking an appointment. And if you click on overview once again, you'll be able to be directed once again on this page. And below, you'll be able to see some other kind of requirements that are needed. And by clicking this where to apply button, it will automatically be directed us on this page, where it will show us the button in here that says next, how to apply. And by clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed us on the next tab in here. And if you scroll down, it will show you that if you're applying for a visa for the first time, you're also required to take the same step in here, such as to complete this form, such as online DS 160 and print to confirmation page, and also review the information on this Department of State websites. So you will be able to be directed in here under DS 160 form, where it will show you some of the requirements that are need to fill out. And now for the step 2, which is to go to this website to pay for the MRV application fee and schedule an interview, or obtain the information on applying for the visa by courier. So that's basically the other way on how you can start booking an appointment for US visa from UK. And aside from that, if you scroll down here, it will show you the required documents that you could also see one by one with a corresponding overview of it. And you could also navigate some of the frequently asked questions once again in here regarding those kind of requirements. And from here, if you scroll down, it will also show you the link on how you can start booking an appointment, which is this link in here, Visa Appointment Service Account. But the easy way on how you can start booking an appointment is by clicking or going back to this visa section or homepage, and below, just scroll down, and under this contact us option in here, kindly click on it, and it will show you a variety of options. But just click this non-immigrant visa appointment, Embassy London and Consulate General Belfast in here. By simply clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page, and it will show you the visa appointment service website that you can start navigating. By clicking on it, you'll be able to start filling out the required information and start book your appointment for US visa. And from here, it will show you the important information for visa applicants, and below you can start proceeding this apply button in here. But make sure to fill out all of the required information and ensure that all information is accurate. And for further assistance or specific inquiries, you could also contact the US Embassy in London or refer to their official website. But overall, that is just basically how to book appointment for US visa from UK. Thank you.